Show you.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Learn the Groove, How to Be a Better Dancer. The new segment that we're gonna do is progression from James Brown. So we have different videos from before, just so you could see how I break it down, how to do all the exercises. So check it out, progression from James Brown.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you cause you sweep me off my feet.
Alright, this is the breakdown for James Brown. So we're gonna do the first exercise, trying to figure out transferring your weight from your toes into your heel. Okay, so we're gonna go toe, heel, going to the right. Heel, toe, to the left. Heel, toe, to the right. Heel, toe, to the right. Next, we're gonna do the upper body roll with the heel-toe movement on the feet. So this is gonna be a difficult one, so take it really slow. I want you to understand how to breathe through the movements and also using your core. There's a lot of isolations happening up in here from your head to your toes. So you're gonna body roll, head going back first when you step on your heel, and moving down, your upper body is going down to your hips when you transfer your weight to your toe. Do this really slow and understand how the movements work. When you master these movements and get comfortable with it, try to do it a little bit faster with the beat.
To the daylight, cause I don't ever wanna leave. I don't wanna leave. It's way beyond better now. I give it up on love, but now I believe. Love when it feels right. It's just one of these nights. Don't get me wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels nice. I love it in my eyes. Oh yeah, love so strong, get me wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels right. So it's just one of these nights. Love so strong, get me wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, get me wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. It feels right. It's just one of these nights. Love when it feels nice. Yeah, the apple of my eye. Love when it feels right. It's just one of these nights. Love when it feels nice. The apple of my eye. Hey, I got to have you, baby. I do. It feels so right, huh? It feels so right. It feels so right. Well, let's get it on to your favorite song.
Hey, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you feel much better. If you have any question, please private message me, don't hesitate. Follow me at Jojo ZOLINA Dance on Facebook and Instagram. Hit me up and subscribe at thehealthytransformation.com/dance/. So come later.